this is the Sony ZVE-10 Mark II with the kit lens. This is the box that it comes in. We're gonna unbox it. Let's go ahead and do that right now. First things first is your instructions, which I'm sure you don't care about. We'll put those aside. All right, first up, we've got the camera itself. Let's have a look at what it looks like. It's in this nice little soft padded piece right here. So, wow, first things first is it feels very, very nice. It feels like a good quality camera. So we'll look at the top right here. We can see all of our buttons. We've got the hot shoe right there, the microphone, speaker. We've got your camera, movie, slow mode. We've got record button, your focus mode, and we've got the on and off switch right there. On the back, we've got our swivel display, so we can swivel that way and have it closed, or we can swivel it and have it forward. So it goes that way and it goes that way right there. There's all your buttons on the back end right there. And let's have a look at the ports on the side. So we've got your SD card slot right in there. And in here, we've got your, micro HDMI right in there. And then right up here, we've got USB-C and the microphone port right there. So nice to have all of those handy on the camera itself. Down below, we've got your little battery compartment right there. And then obviously your 1/4-inch screw right here. For the lens itself, there is your lens that's included in the kit lens right there. So the 3.5 to 5.6, 16 to 50. And this is a newer lens right there. We've got all different types of your zoom and stuff that you can use. And then there's a little button right here, which you can press, which will release the lens for you. So you can replace it with any sort of the Canon E-mount lenses right there. So we'll throw that in. Let's have a look at what else we have included in the box. So it does include a strap. So it's your camera strap. So if you want to use it for photography, you can use your camera strap. We'll leave that all closed. We've got this little envelope piece right here. And this is the dead cat for the microphone. So it's pretty neat how it slides in. You can see it goes into the hot shoe right here. So if we slide it right on in right there, and then it just sits right over top on there. That's actually really neat. Like to see that. So that's cool. And what else do we have? And then we've got our Sony battery right here. And if you want to know the specific battery itself, you can read away at the battery, but very nice that we have that. So no charger or anything included. So it does charge via USB-C though, so most people have a lot of USB-C around. So go ahead and insert your battery into your camera, charge it on up, and then you are good to go. If this video is helpful, let me know.